Hello friends, welcome to Sql Code Writing. Today we can check the string aggregate function. So this function is used to concatenate the rows of a string into one string with a specified separator. Okay, so we have one table, customer table. It contains customer ID, name, and country. Okay, so we want to split up this. We want to get this customer ID with the comma separator. So in this case, we can use string aggregate function string h. Here we can use the column name. Next we can specify the separator. Okay, we can just execute this query. Now we are getting the comma separated list 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay. Here we want to get with the hyphen, then we can use the hyphen. Just execute this. Now we are getting the separator hyphen. Okay. Next we want to separate the value of name field. Okay, so we can use string aggregate of name. Then we are getting the values with comma separator values. Okay, so we can just execute this query. Now we can check with the country. So the country field contains one null value. Okay, so this string aggregate function will ignore the null values. Okay, so we will aggregate this country, then we will get the output without null. Okay, it will remove the null values. Okay, next we can check the grouping. So in this table we want to get the country and the related customer name with the comma separator value. Okay, so we can use select country comma string egg. Here we can use name and separate value from customer, and we can group by country. Okay, let's execute this query. Now we are getting one null country is there, that is the name is Kiran India. We are getting Biju, Arjun, Kiran. Okay, so this way we can group this data. Okay, next we want to order this data by ascending order. Okay, we want to get this list and we want to order this name list by ascending order. So in that case we can use within group. Okay, this is syntax select country comma string aggregate function. We can use name comma separator value, and within group we can use order by name. Order by name means it is default ascending order. We can just execute this query. Now we are getting the name list order by name. Arjun, Biju, Kiran by ascending order. We want to get the name list as descending order. Now we can use here order by name descending. Okay, you can just execute this query. Now we are getting the name list in descending order. Kiran, Biju, Arjun. Okay. Okay, thank you guys.